your iPhone. Vertical video is projected onto the TV on the whole screen. That's how we look when we want to see it. Also turn 90 degrees. It's not so blind to look at it this way. You should turn the TV 90 degrees. It seems to have fallen down. It does not matter. I have a button behind it. Press it and it will spin back. That's normal. Press it again and it will look like this. He's in a cyclic mode. When we were doing the Facebook auction live stream, this is my studio. I need to see the live process in real time. There is also a message with the customer, and the interaction is like this. So that's why we can turn on your Facebook Live. You'll be able to leave a message. You're in the middle of playing the game right now. You can place the screen of your game 100% presented to your audience. Hello everyone. How to transfer your iPhone? Connect to your TV. We will think of using this Apple Lightning to AV converter. We connect IT to your iPhone. That's the output of HDMI. Connect to a TV. The TV will show you the screen from your iPhone. But you will find a problem. This means that the image presented by the TV is in the center. He has problems with left and right black blank. Then if you are going to move your iPhone today, full screen projection to your TV, you can't use this Lightning to AV converter. There's no way to get your iPhone full screen rendering to your TV. Of course, your TV needs to be turned 90 degrees to use it. One of the projects we want to introduce today is called Faben Smartphone Vertical Mode Mirror Adapter. It can convert video of your iPhone full screen projection to your TV. It has two functions. The first one, it is a transmission cable with a wired USB. To connect to this converter, you can just USB your iPhone's charging cable. The second way is to use AirPlay. The iPhone is wirelessly connected to this adapter. This projector turns on HDMI output connected to your TV. Let's start with that. The first way is called wired. This one is a 5-volt power supply. Then this one is the HDMI output to connect to a TV. Then this one is connected to your iPhone phone. Use Lightning cable. First, connect the power supply first. Then connect to your TV. A blue screen will appear on the TV. At this time, connect your USB Lightning cable to your iPhone. Of course, if your phone is a USB-C iPhone, please use a USB-C cable. Then connect to the converter. At this point, your iPhone will automatically project to your TV. Then you will find the strange. Why is it still black bars left and right? It doesn't matter. We have a button on our side. Press it and it will loop. You see, I just have to turn the TV to 90 degrees. This video seems to be reversed. Never mind. We've got a hotkey. You can get him to turn back to the screen you wanted. At this time, your iPhone is successfully projected to your TV and is a portrait presentation. Please pay attention. The phone I'm using now is the iPhone SE2. His screen ratio is 16:9. So when it comes to TV, it's full screen. A full-frame vertical screen is projected onto the TV. But yes, if you're using an iPhone X or above, his ratio is 20:9. It's not the standard 16:9. So it's possible that this side will fill in the black edges. Fill in the black edges a little bit on the left and right. The result is a full screen picture. The proportions of this font are right. WHAT are applications of this kind of mirroring. First of all, the first one, you can watch it with this TV screen. The scene where you are currently live is your Facebook Live. And then you're now on a live stream. You can watch it on this big screen. The content of your live stream and the comments. It's cool to watch the live broadcast on your big TV. Also, that is, if you're going to play a mobile game today, you're going to play the iPhone mobile game, presented to everyone. You can also present it on a large screen. He just needs to pay attention to himself. Is that this game is going to be a straight app. If you're opening a horizontal game, it's going to be black bar, like this. So it must be a vertical mode game. You can also watch TikTok without problems.
Excuse me, can you?
Then if you're going to watch YouTube, please open it in your browser. This is the browser. Open it with this browser. YouTube would be better.
所以说呢，在陆国今天一
回到现场，将会的打击，面对第一球这一棒，场中的三垒手快传一垒，将会。
Of course, you can also get your iPhone. It becomes a beauty camera. You just open the app Wuta, and then there's a guy here called this live assistant. Press it, then press it down for portrait live streaming. That's when you can use it as a beauty camera. Of course, you have to pay the money. These watermarks will disappear for him. That's the beauty camera. Connect this video capture card. Then go to the apps on the computer to do the live broadcast. This is full screen. It won't have black bars on the top and bottom. Imagery you use in OBS. It is 100% utilized. Smartphone will full screen mirror to OBS. This question. In this way, the live broadcast of OBS will be the best. That's the detailed video. I'll put it in the comment section. How to use this mobile phone projector. Connect the capture card. What a creamy wind. What a texture. You can also set up makeup. I also set lipstick. Lipstick could be a little stronger, a little weaker. Put it down. You see, the picture is clean now. We have a straight full screen projector for this phone. You can also connect via wireless AirPlay. The first thing you need to see is that this is blue screen, and then there's unset here. It's easiest for us to connect the first way. Just turn on your Wi-Fi. Connect this place. SSID. Oh, over here. That name is him. And then the password is this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Join. 4G mobile internet can be turned on. At this point, your phone is ready to access the internet. I'm going to do the projection. Here press projection. This is your iPhone screen. It'll be projected onto your TV. It's the same thing. This thing can still be rotated. Look at this. That's fine. Facebook. No problem. The second wireless connection method is, if you have this iPhone itself does not have a 4G mobile internet SIM card, you don't have access to the internet. The approach I took was, place this one in a white converter. Connect to your home's router. In the case of our home router, this one. That's my router. I'm connected to this router in the white box. Then just do a concatenation. In this case, we will disconnect the AirPlay first. Let's go to the console first to this Wi-Fi connection to this place. Okay, it's connected. It's connected. Then, you'll see that there's a URL here. Okay, let's go to the browser and type in that URL. I cancel it after going in. Language I fill in English. Then the Wi-Fi connection pressed this side to let him go scan. He went to scan himself. If not, let him scan one more time. You see, that's all the Wi-Fi I currently have in this space. Take this Wi-Fi in my house as an example. See this Fabian store. I'm just plugging in my router. Then type the password of my router. At this time, I'm a white converter. It will be connected in series with the router. You see, he's not changing. There's no jumping here. Okay, this QR code will be generated on his side after jumping. And he told you too. This router is already connected. This is my mirroring adapter. And it worked. I made a bridge with my router and my iPhone. I'm going to connect my home router. This will also have the function of projection. Pull your hand up and down. Press it and it will be projected. After the projection is done, it's the same thing. He also has the same switching movements. You see, 4 directions. Turn it to 90 degrees and you're good to go. Of course, you can also take it to watch the content of your Facebook Live. Well, it's your Facebook Live. We're in the process of doing a live stream. I can use my big screen. It's time to watch my live stream. You don't have to see that small screen. And there is a black border in the middle. Do same thing. You can also watch that TikTok without a problem.
拜佛的真货。
Faben smartphone vertical mode mirror adapter. In addition to connecting your iPhone, it can also be connected to an Android phone. Anyway, you just need your phone to connect to the TV. If you want to change it to portrait mode, Faben smartphone vertical mode mirror adapter, it doesn't matter if it's wired or wireless projection, can be used.